Here's what you're gonna make for dinner tonight. Go pick up some certified Angus beef top sirloin cap. Or maybe you know what is cool at? This sirloin cut is one of my favorite summer steaks. And I'm gonna pair it with some grilled stone fruit. This looks like summer. It smells incredible. Look at this. I'm gonna let these steaks rest for about 5 minutes and I'm gonna dig in. It's perfect. Just a little bit. It's like summer on a plate. At least for me. Remember, if it's not certified, it's not the best.